Hi Nevlin Knights, it's Mrs. Jordal here with you today to talk with you about The Fun Club Goes to the Aquarium. Now if you have not gotten a chance to watch Mrs. Witham's video reading this book to you, I would encourage you to go back and watch that first. Miss Dooley also has a video about some vocabulary words that go with the book, and I would also encourage you to watch that video before this one, because what we're going to do today is we are going to write a sentence about something we learned from this book, okay? So what I did first is I made a list of some of the animals that were in the story, okay? So on my list I have sharks, seals, fish, sea dragons, sea turtles, and crabs, okay? Those were a few of the animals in the story, not all of them. There's also plenty of other things the story talked about. It talked about divers in the aquarium, the kids that went on the field trip. Maybe you want to write about them. You can choose whatever you want as long as it relates to the story, okay? But here is the sentence that I chose to write. My sentence says, the aquarium has sharks. So I just chose one animal from the story and I just put it into my sentence here. And remember, at the beginning of the sentence, you need a capital letter. At the end, you need a period to show that the sentence is all done. We also need some other information in our sentence, okay? And I have everything I need to make a complete sentence. Also keep in mind, you want to put your finger spaces in between your words, okay? So that there's enough space that you can tell it's a new word and we can read everything on here. Also just keep in mind the lines are a guide for where your letters need to go, okay? That way you can read your sentence, and that's also really important when we're doing our writing, is to be able to read our words, okay? So keep those things in mind as you're writing. Now maybe you feel like challenging yourself a little bit more this week. So you could write 2 sentences this time, or 3. Or you could even write a whole paragraph, which would be at least 5 sentences. That would be a great challenge if you feel like you're up for it, okay? Also, I would encourage you to use space on your paper to draw a picture about your sentence. That would be really great, and you could color it in, and that would just be a great addition. So please do that if you're able to, okay? And I've seen a lot of you guys draw, and you are very good at it, so I know that you could make a really cool picture to go with your sentences, okay? That would be a fun thing to do. So then just keep in mind that tomorrow there will be another video up about this book. That will be from Mrs. Davis. And then on Friday, there will be a video about an actual visit to an aquarium. So those would be great things to watch if you have a chance this week, Nights, and I hope you do. I hope you are all staying really safe and healthy and that you're having a great week. And I look forward to seeing you again soon.